Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve rotate image. In this problem we are given an n by n 2D matrix and we have to represent the image and we have to rotate the image by 90 degrees, that is clockwise. And we must have to write in place algorithm in which we cannot take any extra space. So let's dry run the example 1 and try to find the intuition behind this. This is our input matrix and after the operations this is our output matrix. So let's find out the pattern behind this. So the 1 is at 0 0 position and it converts it to the 0 2 position, whereas the 4 is at 1 0 position and it converts to the 0 1 position. Similarly, the 7 is at position 2 0 and it converts it to the 0 0. So if we check the pattern, so the j becomes I and the I becomes j minus I minus 1. If I check with the example, so the n is 3 here in this and the I is 0 and minus 1 equal to 2 and it is equal to the 2. In the second example, if I check 3 minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to the 1, and it is also similar. And in the third, it will be 3 minus this index, that is I, minus 1 equal to 0. So the final will be I comma j will be j minus j comma n minus I minus 1. So first we have to use the brute force approach, in which we will take another matrix of size n by n, which is 3 by 3 in this case, and we will simply store the element with in their respected position, like 1 moves to the 0 2 position, 1 0 position, that is 4 moves to the 0 1 position here, and we do this process until the end. Now let's move to the code explanation and implement the same logic we discussed on the board. First we take a variable n in which we will take the size of the matrix, so that will be matrix.size. After that we will take a 2D vector in which we will store the values. Initially we initialize it with the 0 element, so that will be vector of int n comma 0. After that we simply run the loop from int 0 equal to n I plus plus, and we write same loop for the j. After that we will reverse the ij. In for loop we store the matrix value in our temp vector like this. So for that we will take a variable in which we will store, that will be temp j n minus I minus 1 equal to matrix of ij. So as we have stored in this, now we will simply copy all the temp values in the matrix. So we will run the same loops, but here we have to write matrix of ij, and here we use temp, and that's it. Let's run this code, submit it. Its time complexity is big of n square because we are using two loops and iterating over every element once, and its space complexity will be big of n square because we are using the 2D vector. So in this case the interviewer will not be happy because we are using the extra space, and in the problem statement it is given that we have to rotate the image in place. So let's try to think of a better approach. So if I see in the input array, that is kind of similar, like that is the first column is similar to the first row, and the second column is similar to the second row, and the third column is similar to the third row. So this is kind of transpose of matrix. So if I do transpose of the input matrix, that will be 1 4 7, that will be 1 4 7, then 2 5 8, then 3 6 9. We have done the transpose, but our output array is different. Like this is 1 4 7, but this is 7 4 1, and we have to, so now we have to reverse the row elements so that the output will be same. So there will be two steps including in this solution. That will be, first is transpose the matrix, and then we will reverse the rows. In transpose we can see that the diagonal elements are same, that 1 5 9, and the diagonal is 1 5 9. These are the similar. We only have to reverse the opposite element, like 2 4 reverses, 3 7 reverses, and 8 6 reverses. So if I run the loop from 0 to n minus 1, so if I run the loop from 0 to n minus 1 for the row, and for the column I plus 1 to the n, so we will get the transpose, and by using the reverse method we will reverse our row. So we will remove this, and we will also remove this. As I have told, the loop will run from 0 to n minus 1 and j equal to I plus 1 to n, and we have to transpose the matrix. So for that we will transpose, swap the elements. That will be matrix of ij comma matrix of ji. The transpose is done. Now we do the reverse of our row. So we will run a loop from int I equal to 0 to n I plus plus. Then we do reverse of matrix I comma matrix I comma end, and it will be start. As we are using the inbuilt function, now let's run this code. Begin. Submit it. Its time complexity is same, that is big O of n square, and its complexity is big O of 1, since we are not using any extra space. And that's it. Thanks for watching the video and for your patience.